solving quadratic equations by using square roots. Alright, so we are going to be using square roots to solve certain types of quadratic equations, and we're going to use the square root property when we're thinking about this. Okay, the square root property is basically saying that if you have x squared equal to some value, then x is going to equal the positive or negative square root of that value. Okay, we've used this before, we kind of already know it, but it's important to think about because there are some cases when dealing with quadratic equations where it's a lot easier. Okay, so we have x squared equals 16. All right, x, we take the square root of both sides, so x is going to be equal to the positive or negative square root of 16, and x is equal to positive or negative 4. Okay, because it could be 4 times 4 is 16, or negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. All right, that's the idea. Pretty easy to see when you have a perfect square. When you don't have a perfect square, this is where it ends. Okay, we are ending at the point of x equals plus or minus the square root of 23, which is going to be a messy number. All right, but most of the time we're not going to be rounding that. We're not going to be looking to find it to the nearest tenth. We're just leaving it in this form because that is the simplest way to do it. Okay, and right now these types of problems are pretty straightforward, pretty basic, but we're going to be looking at how this can make the whole process of solving quadratic equations easier. This is kind of our first step towards finding a formula for solving quadratic equations.